Biafran agitation will be worse if Igbos are denied presidency in 2023. Ohanaeze Ndigbo president declared. A socio-cultural Igbo organization, Ohanaeze Ndigbo, has spoken once again. This time around, the group spoke as it regards to the glamour for an Igbo person to emerge president in the year 2023. While speaking, the group made it known that the attempt to intimate a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction is not going to be a good one for the Nigerian. The group stated it clearly that denying Ndigbo presidency in 2023 will be the quickest route to disintegration and that it will worsen the Biafran agitation. According to the cable report, Ohanaeze made this disclosure today, Friday, in a statement that was issued by the Secretary General of the group, Mazi Okechukwu Isiguzoro. Mr. Isiguzoro went on and made it clear to Nigerians that 2023 is not only about Ndigbo, but it is the right time to repair a country sinking deep into abyss of division and insecurity. He went on and stated it clearly that what Igbos want is an Igbo president, not a president from the southeast. According to him, Igbos will support any Igbo man from Benue, River, Delta, or any state at all. That is a good one from Ohanaeze Ndigbo. I think the Igbos should be allowed to produce the next president of the country for the sake of justice and equity. I also think that if Igbos are allowed to produce the next president of the country, all these agitations will become history. I want to believe that the person speaking right now is Professor Obiozo. Well, you are speaking on your own terms, Professor Obiozo. That is what you believe. Do you understand? For your information, maybe you don't know, or you know, but you're just trying to put it to the iPops. Biafrans are not interested in Igbo presidency. Whether a northern man return back to power, Biafrans don't want to know. They don't want to know. Yes. You know what the Biafrans want. You know what they want. The Biafrans don't want anything other than Biafran freedom. That is what they're asking for. They're not asking for any other thing. They are not asking for any other thing. Give them Biafran freedom and that's all, and there will be peace. You understand? And there will be peace. That is what they are agitating for. Do you understand? So I think you are speaking on your own terms. Biafrans never pleaded to you to speak for them. Biafran will not be any fucking worse. Biafrans are not interested in Igbo presidency. They have said it. And didn't you hear it? That they even went on to say that there will not be election in the southeast. You didn't hear it. So for them to say that is to let you know they don't even want to know anything about Igbo becoming president or governor. It's none of their business. They don't even want to know. What they are agitating for is the Biafran freedom. That is what they are agitating for. So they don't even want to hear anything about Igbo presidency because they know that you all are birds of a feathers. You see the attitude that our Southeast governors are putting up, that one is going to use them as president of this country. They will do more than the Northerners. See, let me tell you the whole truth. See, in the Igbo, you people should better open your ears very well. If you dare install an Igbo man as a president, you are done for. What Buhari is just doing to you will now be a child's play. because they will do more than what the president have done. Maybe you don't know. They will do more than Buhari. They will do the worst. Maybe they will now turn your living room to a farm. To a farm. You don't know anything. So you better be wise. Don't listen to them. Don't even listen to them. Don't give them a chance. Don't give them a listening ear. They are all deceivers. They are deceivers. They are looking for help. When it is time for election, that is when they know your doorstep. That's when they know your doorstep. They won't know you if they won't know you once the election is over. You become their enemy. You become their enemy. But once they are looking, they want to come in as a leader. Oh, they can pay you a visit 100 times. You see that? So let us be wise. Let us be wise. As for the IPOBs, they are not interested. The IPOB that I know are not interested in Igbo presidency. If any Igbo man is coming out for presidency, IPOB doesn't want to know. They don't want to know. You understand? And I'm not sure any IPOB will ever come out to vote for anybody. Anybody. They're not going to vote for anybody. It's a waste of time. So, Nyangodo, Mazi, Professor Obiozo, you are speaking for yourself. You're speaking for yourselves from what I see, because I don't think anybody from the IPOB will ever want to have anything to do with Igbo presidency. They don't want to, and they will not even want to. So let's, whosoever that want to become president be president. IPOB is not asking of that. They are not interested. They are not interested. And that is what you should know. Because they believe that you all are birds of a feathers. Look at what has just been collected from Okorocha. Assets he got when he was a governor of Imo State, claiming that he has the money to build those assets before he became a governor. Criminals. And you saying that they should allow you people to be presidents of the country. You'll be worse than the Northerners. No wonder they all started defecting from PDP to APC, from APC to PDP, looking so confused. Okay, we are watching to see what's going to happen at the end. Let me hear you, my viewers in the house, on this very issue. If you are new, click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.